Alright, what's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to yet another update of the coffee bike project. And unfortunately, I didn't get to open up the coffee bike project like I was supposed to during the Ironman event here in Cozumel. As you can see, it's still in process, and I just had a lot of things that I needed to do and couldn't get it done, so here we are. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna work on it today. And so what I need to do is I need to put in a sink. As you can probably see there, I need to put in that sink. I got the drawer put in already. I got the whole box made. So yeah, that's this update. We're gonna see if we can get the sink in and just hang out, have some coffee, and get some work done. All right. Good dark roast, clean flavor. Guatemala, can't beat it. It's good. All right, let's get some work done. All right, so can you see me? So this is my workstation. This is where I'm gonna be making coffee, but I need a sink. So I bought this bowl. I'm gonna drill a hole right in there, place it into the wood. Well, I need to cut a hole for this bowl as well, so I need to measure the hole for the bowl. And this is what I'm going to use as my faucet, one of these electrical water dispensers. I'm going to have a jug underneath there. Bada bing, bada boom. That's what we're going to do. Alright, so come along for the ride. Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a test on a dummy piece of wood. I'm gonna place it down and then I'm just gonna copycat it. But I wanna make sure it's gonna work before I do it. Alright, serious business. The beanie has come off. This is the part where I'm nervous. I'm actually going to cut the hole of where the sink is going to go, alright? So let's hope for the best. What I've noticed with what I've noticed with the water is that when it stops, I don't want it to leak on the table, so it's got to leak inside here. That's what the sink looks like for now. There's a record player. But yeah, that's what the sink's gonna look like. And yeah, maybe on the next episode, I'll show you how I can make some coffee by using this whole setup. Until next time. Is this thing on? Alright, let me get a little bit wider here. Oh, there we go. What's up, everybody? We're back here on update. I think we're still on update number 3 or 4, one of the two. But as you guys know, I was gonna put in that sink. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Whoa, it works. Yeah, it works. It drains down there somewhere beneath. I'll get more into the details of how that works later, but now we're gonna paint the base, the bottom part, we're gonna paint it white. All right, so stay tuned. This is update number 4. And yeah, pretty much this is the last step, and then we're gonna put it on the bike and take her for a stroll. So hopefully that comes soon, all right? So just a quick little update. I got the white paint right there. And so next time you see this puppy, it's gonna be white, and hopefully on the bike. And also I'm gonna drill a hole so I can put that umbrella, all right? The record player is over here, and that works with some battery action power that I'm doing, so I'll show you guys that all in an updated video of everything all together. So this is just kind of going through quickly, but I want to be able to record like what I did, what it took to get here. Man, it's been like almost a couple months, 8 months, just trying to figure out how I'm gonna build this thing, but it's coming together. Let's make some coffee soon, all right? I think for the umbrella, I'm gonna have to put the umbrella right through my box that holds the espresso maker and my coffee utensils and everything. I have to make the hole right through this, but it'll keep my box in place so it doesn't fall off the cart. So that's my idea. So I have to drill a hole right through the mat so I can place that umbrella there. It's just gonna be a part of the cart. So the box is just gonna be part of the cart. I can't just take it off whenever I want, which was kind of the idea, but I'll still have that hole in the center, so that's what I want. I want the hole in the center for the umbrella. The umbrella's gonna go right there, all right? Let's get it. Hold on. Oh man, it's our first reaction of how the umbrella looks. We're gonna open it up. Here we go. Oh man. What? There it is, the espresso station. Looks good.
Really cute, babe.
What do you think?
I like it.
Like it?
It's really cute.
I think so too. I think it's gonna work. And it's about to rain. So we're gonna really test it out.